Gone.
Shit.
Unbelievable. You can't go over there, babe.
We are here.
They're pissed. They're drunk. Go fast so I can get their number plate. Is it these ones?
No, it's a... Shit.
I hope I got that on film.
How many stars?
Yeah.
Quick. Oh,
She's really got heart. She has a really
Yeah, sure.
get up close so I can
Yes.
get the number plate.
Alright.
well, don't think
Fuck you.
No,
Do it to me.
it's just going to be a bit of
Roger
fun.
have a massive...
I will.
Don't get that Frankie Victoria. Is he gone home?
No,
Send
he's
him
not.
home.
He's not in this race.
Guy, he should be evicted.
Cost you 10 grand, why not?
Fucking Jesus.
These are the ones that just smashed into the pole in Gordons Hill Road.
Drama or anything like that. That doesn't involve me.
And look at the damage that they got to their car. They must be drunk.
Tomorrow, I'll call in. Don't worry about that.
If we're going to track him, we'll do an interview with Michelle Page.
All right.
Hit and run.
Look at the oil.
Oil coming out of their car too.
And look at the water coming out.
Yep.
Jesus.
Unbelievable.
Look, it's pouring out.
Yep. They fucked their radiator. That's what they've done.
Let's get the fuck out of me.
I knew that something was going to go on. That's why I started filming.
Before she hit the post. Oh.
From $29.95 each. Inca Princess Lilies, $14.68. Peony roses, just $19.95. Geranium Pinktastic, $9.95. Flower carpet roses, 3 for $33. And brown turkey figs, $27.95. Get planting this spring at your local Plants Plus Garden Centre. Chandler, Sandy Bay, Harmony Lauderdale.
Jesus. I can't believe that. Now it's blowing smoke.
It was blowing smoke before that.
Is it?
Yeah. I noticed it. Oh, it's blowing more smoke now.
It's pretty...
They're going to try and get home.
But now they're driving properly.
Yeah, because it probably woke them up. Can you tell who's driving?
No. There's no one in the passenger side.
The windscreen's cracked by the look of it, is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Smashed.
Mm.
Looks like a woman.
Is there anyone in the passenger seat? Just concentrate on what you're doing.
No, there's not.
Visit our website and order online for discounted prices and have your tyres fitted for free at our Hobart or Brighton workshops. You can relax and wait in our comfortable lounge. With fast and efficient turnarounds and flexible payment options available through Zip Money, you know you'll make the right choice with TireRight. TireRight.com.au.
I knew something was going to happen because of the way they were weaving from one side of the road to the other.